Hello everyone. In this video we are going to take a look few more examples in array. In this example I'm using getAdUser commandlet, and the properties I'm taking only the Samoko name, surname and given name, and piping it to select only those three properties. And I'm using the where condition here. From the where condition I select the given name like A, and then surname like A, and then piping it again to select only the first five. Here this is a for each loop. Okay, I'm looping this information and then saving this one into a variable Samoko name, and the first name saving it to a variable. And then here this is an array. You can see here that there is a plus sign and equal, and then concatenating the Samoko name and first name. And finally I'm writing it to the host. Let's select this. Let's run this. $ARR, and you can see here all this information coming. And then now I want the 0th index and the first index and the second index. The next I want to find out the array length. I declare a variable array length, and then r dot length. R is coming from ARR, coming from here, and finally I'm loop through the array using the for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than array length, and then I plus plus, and then the index which is coming from I, and then the array. Write this to the host. Let's run this one. And this is the 0th index, which is Amy, and the first index is Amelia, and the second index is Victor, and third index is Anthony, and so on. A certain point you want to split this, okay, the semicolon, in between there is a semicolon. You want to split this. Let us see how we can do this. Declare a variable temp equal to $ARR, and then $I, and split, and then a semicolon, and then for each loop $EK in $temp, and then write host $EK. This will split, highlight, and I like to put the read host, highlight, run, and you can see here the information is split. You can see here an information split. Okay, name. You can see here the Victor semicolon, and those are split. Same thing. That's it. In this next example, I'm using the same commandlet as before. Okay, this is the one. I'm using the same commandlet here. I'm putting this inside a for each loop, and then saving it into an array, and then this is the hash table. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, and then go back here, and then the result. Okay, let's run the result here. Okay, I'm getting all this information from this $result. It serves like an object. Okay, if you do like this, it serves like an object. Okay, you can query the object. Now I'm querying the object where the last name like Young. Let's highlight this and run this. See, I'm able to pull the information where the last name is Young. Okay, in this next example, I have some users saved in a text file. Okay, and then declare a variable, and then I saved that users in the variable. I'm going to run this one. Okay, let's pull who are those person inside that text file. Okay, the Amy is the first one, which is nothing but the 0th index. Angela is the first index, and this person is the second index, and etc. Okay, let's bring this one. This is should be Amy. Okay, not this one, this one. This should be Amy. And the first index should be Angela. You can see here the Angela. It's Angela coming here. Now the next example, I have people saved in a CSV file. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, these are the persons saved in a CSV file. The header is LN, login ID, and FN, the first name. And what is the 0th index, or who are those person in the 0th index? The Wendy is in the 0th index. You can see here, this is the 0th index, and the Wendy is in 0th index. And I want to pull only the last name. It's pulling all this information from the CSV file, all the last name. And I want to find the last name 0th index. And this is the last name the 0th index, which is this one. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day.